Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can unhide your game on your Steam library. So here you can see that I am in my library section, and if I want to hide a game, for that you need to click on the game and then right click on your mouse. Here you will see a manage section. You need to hover your mouse to the manage section and then click on hide this game. So you can see that it has been hidden from your library. So there are a number of reasons why you want to hide your game. You might use a shared PC, so you don't want anyone to play this game, so that's why you hide. Or there can be plenty of other reasons as well. So what after you have hidden it and you want to play it? So for that you need to go to your view on the top left near the Steam button, click on view and then click on hidden games. So here you can see that your hidden game is available. So if you want to play, you can just play by clicking on it, but if you want to unhide it, you need to again right click on your mouse and then hover your mouse to manage section and then click on remove from hidden. So if I want to go to my library, you will see that my game is available again. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.